there it is. Overhaul. It's a hopper. Ooh. Nice. This was not here the last time I was at this park. Ooh.
Time I'm ever jealous of a hardtail is on like the roller double things like there was back there. They like to manual up them, like pump the first one and then jump into the next one.
Yeah, there's so much efficiency.
Yeah, so much harder on a long traveling dirt.
Oh, does this go uphill a little bit?
Yeah, and then it goes right, left. There's a trail over there, but if you take that, it brings you to the cross-country trail.
Is that Upper Roundhouse?
I think so.
Because the lower part hasn't been built yet?
Yeah, it brings you over the cross-country trail, which is kind of weird.
So eventually when they build the lower part, though, I guess it'll bring you back here.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
It kind of just shoots you right into the middle of the cross-country.
Oh, you gouged that grip pretty well, huh?
Yeah, this one's dying.
Did that happen just like one day randomly? Weird.
It's slowly been happening.
It's because it's like a second layer of the material?
Yeah.
Oh, weird.
I tend to ride hard, so.
How do you like those grips otherwise?
They're pretty grippy. I rode them in the rain a couple times and still held grip when they were wet. I want to get a set of deities because they're like that, but then they like change directions as it goes through it.
These are still my default. I used to get the double-ended ones, and now that they have a single-end one, it tears at the end though. So this one I just put a cap in it.
Yeah. I haven't had a problem with these ones tearing, and I've eaten it quite a bit. Just
nice.
Dump the bike.
I have a PNW dropper on my fat bike, so I could definitely see getting PNW stuff in the future, I guess.
I want to get a set of deity bars and deity grips.
How about your kit match? Sort of.
Like the other day I was wearing Troy Lee, then Fox elbow pads, Decay knee pads, and Fox pants. I
think it's funny just like every single piece is a different brand, because the brands hate it when people do that.
I do it all the time. Like fly racing gloves, a Fox helmet, Troy Lee, Decay, and then Ride Concepts.
I wish mechanics would actually make a bike glove.
Yeah.
You know? They work really well.
Yeah, they do. I like my riding gloves over mechanics gloves.
That's weird. Almost looked like that was closed. Oh, just like dips over here by this. Woo! Oh, it's so dry. Seriously, so dry. Whoa. Yeah, I just thought about like somebody could blow right out of.
Yeah, I've almost done
even that, or yeah.
I usually just lock up both front and rear brakes and slide sideways into here.
They probably just don't want to put a berm here because they'd have to flatten it out in the winter.
They have to flatten it for winter, but
they could put some signage at least. It's like left-hand turn or something. I don't know. Huh.
Hoppers on the right here.
Gotcha. Come on. There we go. this opened 2 days ago for the first time. Woo-hoo. I'm guessing there's a lot of small jumps on this. Oh, woohoo. Okay, cool. Ooh, yeah. Okay, little jumps, nice. Hopper, not jumper. Oh, it's nice and grippy too. Whoa! Nice, nice, nice. It's like repeated small jumps. Ooh. Whoops. Ooh. Whoop. Yeah, it's like multiple small jumps. That's cool.
They start to get a little bigger as it goes down.
Oh, is this where it goes to the cross-country stuff?
Yeah, you that way's cross-country trails.
Is that the climb back out?
I don't know.
Huh. It kind of looks like it's coming uphill towards us.
Yeah, maybe. But then,
Because back there is where Roundhouse went
yeah,
out, right?
Roundhouse comes out up the road farther.
It's weird. That almost looks like it was roped off. Is that just to keep people from accidentally going in there? I guess it's open.
So.
Yeah.
You have to like go around the rope. I think it's so people don't go into it really fast. I'm not certain though.
Or not knowing that they're going to have to pedal back out.
Too.
Huh.
Because there's a bunch of signs that say no access to downhill park from here.
Okay, so this trail's kind of progressive. Like it starts with the little stuff and then it's sort of like...
Yeah, which I think the top of it definitely could be a green. And then start as a blue here, but...
Cool.
Yeah.
I'll keep that in mind. So, and that actually was like nice and grippy there.
Yeah, it was. I thought it was going to be down here.
Yeah.
Maybe, I think it's a little looser and then some of the berms are grippy.
Yeah. It's also brand new and it seems like it's in the shade a lot.
Yeah.
What's up?
How you doing, guys?
Good.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Yeah, let's get going. Let's get out of the ride path, I guess. Oops, come on. There we go. Oh, I'm definitely doing this again. Oh. Ooh, nice. Oh, this is brilliant. What does it say? Caution, caution. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see why. It's all muddy right now. Whoa. Do not ride on the work road. Gotcha. At first I was like, why does it say caution? Then I'm like, oh, muddy.
Yeah. That mud's like riding through slush and not even mud.
It looks like it's got to be better than it was a day ago, though.
It was bad yesterday. It rained a little bit and it just got super muddy.
Uphill beyond this point. Oh, so then you're supposed to go into spur?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the top part of spur.
Huh. No biking or hiking. But wait a second, doesn't that look, oh wait, oh, because something comes out of there.
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
spur.
okay, then spur goes, okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
This berm's always super sandy.
Oh, here we go. Whew. Oh, what a beautiful day. Oh my word. Lovely, lovely day. Don't blow it out. Yeah, I'll grab the full face. Probably about time.